Monkeys here.
Right now we are going to the fountain of what, Lisa?
The fountain of lovers, Dylan.
The fountain of lovers. What's that up there? What? Are these real trees?
Yeah.
This is like real. What is that they're selling?
Oh, coconut. You want coconut?
What are we doing, Lisa?
Just getting a coconut. Just getting a coconut.
This is my first fresh coconut.
Obrigado.
You want to try first?
Yeah, you got buddy. Wait.
Lisa? This is my first fresh coconut. Mmm. It's very good. Did you want it? Mmm, I love it.
Awesome. The first monkey.
This is a fountain where you can drink water, right?
Yeah. There are a lot of those. Oh yeah, that's not helping at all.
What?
Nothing. It's all good.
What?
Are you filming?
Yes?
Oh. It's okay. No, I said I need to pee. And then she said that's not helping.
Wait, and why was it bad to pee?
Because you know when fountains, when you have to pee and you hear fountains, it doesn't help.
Oh, right.
And then I fell. This coconut's just weighing me down.
How did you keep tripping again?
I'm trying to look around and walk, which is, oh my god.
See, there are like lovers there.
Oh, wow. This is like a waterfall.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, it's like a waterfall.
Oh my gosh.
You go there too. Do you want to try this, Lisa? I know too. You make up.
Do you know where Lisa is? I haven't been able to see her lately.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe with the lovers.
Maybe if I film the area, I'll find her. Oh, there she is. What is she next to?
Okay.
Ooh. We found her.
Yes. Lisa, no. Stay there. I think your battery is.
Was my battery dying?
This is Dylan Petrello reporting from Brazil for America. Look at this.
Run to the love statue of love.
This?
Yep.
Yeah. So cute, Dylan.
What's going on, guys? What you doing? Alright.
Sort of.
Dylan, how do you like the monkeys, the coconut, and the fall? Waterfall.
Woo! That's how I feel.
Okay, good. Did I stop?
Sure.
Say bye.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. Oh, I